All right, the first floor is up. We're getting ready for trusses. I want to bring up 3 things that I want to look at today with you. So the first thing is above me. Whoops, we'll go that way. That is a header. So the long board above me is a header. And that weight is transferred down to the slab with the 3 studs below the header. So we leave the headers high so that we can build down. We build down for the windows and leave ourselves some room. Also behind me, you can see all of these 2x4s extending across walls. That's called bracing, wall bracing. So we need to make sure if we have a huge wind or some bad weather that these walls stay up. So this is bracing, this stuff right here. And let's go look around a little bit more. So here's a shower pan, or a shower right down here. And you can see the blocking that we've installed. So we've installed blocking for our shower pan. So this right here will hold our shower pan. So as we're framing, we're looking at all the little details while we're framing.